All right, everybody, today's workout is the Power 75s. It's 75 double snatches, 75 pull-ups or kips, and the objective is to get the two done as fast as possible. Now, the fastest time ever for men using two 24Ks and doing kips is 11 minutes and 38 seconds. That's wicked fast. Set of 15 here, maybe set of 15 here, and then a bunch of sets of 10, and then a couple sets of 5s, and you're done. That's how I recommend doing it, and that's how I've gotten really excellent times on this workout, okay? Stability level, you're not doing double snatches, you're gonna do one arm snatch, okay?